Alright, good afternoon. Thanks again for joining in on Heaven's Handyman Contractor channel. I'm here in Brooklyn, and this is the final video for the electrical job here on this particular job. Okay? If you notice behind me, I have 4 new breaker boxes with 15 and 20 amp breakers inside of them. As well as I had to change out the main panel for the house to bring everything up to specs. The client was having a lot of issues with the breakers blowing. From going through the wall here, through the foundation wall, and running some BX cable. If you'll notice, I'm going to have to go really quickly to several patches here throughout the house and in several of the bedrooms. This was necessary in this bedroom here and then down in the next bedroom. This was necessary in order to run the line across here and then go here, bring it down here, and then up to go upstairs, up the wall. And if you bear with me, I have to walk through the house. So, alright, so now we'll go actually coming up to the first floor. This is where I started to pull the cable from here, and also to push it up here. Had to guide it up through the wall because this is an old construction Brooklyn home with a lot of plaster in it. And then another additional hole here. But then this also continued to the going up to the second floor of this home, which is where I'm heading now. Alright, so we're in the hallway here, coming up the stairs. I had to make another hole here along the stairs, and then coming into this apartment, alrighty, and finally emerged here in the closet, and then running some steel conduit pipe up into the attic crawl space, which is outside over here. Now that allowed me to bring down a separate line to come here into this dinette area, as well as another line over here on this wall, which has an outlet dedicated for a refrigerator and an oven, because there were no outlets here in this part of the apartment. And as well as I piggybacked an outlet from this side of the wall to this side of the wall, so that there could be current directly to the microwave instead of the tenant having to stretch the cord around the wall. In addition to that line being run, this apartment over here is not open. This is the back apartment. I did the same thing. Ran a line up into the attic and brought it down into the kitchen through the wall, opened up the wall, very similar, identical to what you saw in this first front apartment, to give this back tenant a line, electrical outlet for her refrigerator. And that's it. So all of these holes that you see, I've patched them. I've started to patch them with some drywall. I'm going to be skim coating them with a mixture of joint compound and plaster of Paris, fill in all of the cracks, level them out until I can sand them down. And that's going to be the final end of this job, but the repair is a secondary part of it. Please join me in that video. It's going to be titled Mrs. Luke Patch Repair Job. Alright, until the next job and the next time, this is HHC. Out.